Hi everybody, it's Miss Wilson, and today we're going to be learning about cause and effect, which is something that we learned in reading class because when we're reading a story sometimes it's good for us to realize what are the causes and effects happening in the story. So the example here on this slide is showing you, so first it starts raining. Because it starts raining, then something else happens. This girl gets out an umbrella to protect herself from the rain. So the rain is the cause, and because of the cause, this happens. The girl getting out her umbrella is the effect. We're going to look at a lot of examples. So, a cause is what makes something happen, or it's the reason why something happens. So here's another example. In the picture, the children watered the field, that's the cause. And so the effect is that flowers grew in the picture. So an effect is what happens because of the cause. So it happens after the cause. So first comes the cause, then comes the effect. Here's another good example. Frosty the Snowman was outside in the sun. And so he melted away. So the first thing that happened was the cause, that Frosty the Snowman was outside in the sun. And so the effect was he melted away. So the cause happened before the effect, and it made the effect happen. Here's some more examples. So look at number 1. When she pressed too hard, her pencil tip broke. Okay, so the cause is the first thing that happened. She pressed her pencil too hard, and the effect was her pencil tip broke. Okay, this sentence says, I put my sunglasses on because it was sunny. So the first thing that happened was it was sunny outside, and so that was the cause, and the effect is I put my sunglasses on. Okay, for the next one, I let my sister borrow my markers. That's the cause. And she gave me a hug. How sweet. So that was the effect, because giving her the markers caused her to give the hug. Here's a last example. My teacher taught us cause and effect. That's a cause. And so then we knew the answer. That's the effect. Okay, so the cause always happens before the effect happens. Okay, now I want you to put on your thinking cap, and we're going to have more examples, and you are going to try to figure out what's the effect. Okay, so here's the cause. The little boy got caught cheating. So what do you think happened next? What was the effect of that? He sat in silent lunch for a week. Or you could say he got in trouble, he got a 0 on his tests. Okay, so anything that makes sense that happened because he got caught cheating. Okay, here's another cause. Miriam forgot to take the cookies out of the oven. Ooh, what do you think the effect of that was? So hopefully you thought something like the cookies were burnt. Yeah, if they're in there for too long, then it's going to be way too hot. Okay, the last one says the car engine made a weird noise. So if that's the cause, what would the effect be? So it says the effect is we took it to the garage to get fixed. Okay, if you said anything that's kind of like that, then you were right. Okay, now we're going to switch it up and do what's the cause. So I'm going to tell you an effect, and I want you to think about what could have caused that to happen. Okay, so if the effect is Katie could not play softball anymore, why? Why do you think she couldn't play softball anymore? What's the cause? Okay, the cause could be that she injured her leg at a game. It could also be she got in trouble during a game, or it could be she moved away. It could be anything that is a reason why she could not play softball anymore. Okay, the next one says, the effect is Mom cooked us dinner. Why? Why did Mom cook us dinner? What could the cause be? One possible reason is the family was hungry. That was the cause. You could also say the cause was she loves us. She was being really nice. She bought some new food from the grocery store that she needed to use. Okay, there are many causes that you could say for why Mom cooked us dinner. Okay, and the last one says, our bikes were blown across the yard. What could the cause be for that one? And this one says there was a huge windy storm. Yep, so that could be the reason why they were blown across the yard. All right. It says, woohoo, you learned all about cause and effect. So just remember, the cause comes first and it makes the effect happen.